Jerry, my name is Victor Tete. And Rana Moka, my favorite teacher and your friend Bright Kwame Asempa, aka Jero. Ono ena ochemi ade ewa akosumbo between 2004 and then 2005. Wow. Na sisi oye adwuma wa Adom FM ono an your friend Okwesi Asempa no. Are we good to go? Etiamfa video no to so. Okay, abusua brasesi na yen hwe na video no. Na echiye na wo video no no, onso wa be part of it. Yen hwe se anye bia no. Anye bia no wo no oje asem idi. Their course video, you know, do you believe in it or not? Na yen traso na yen kwe anymore. Ta 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 da tu 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 ta ta da da da. Oh, dum 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 dum. All right, so your baby yi and a video no. Na send them di kan no. The woman say share video no na share say who believe in the obehu video no and say believe in it. Let us know. You be kind those messages no. Now there ba ko a me believe in no say research and penny for the buy e beto apono so say ene no. We ema mako 10 our modu childbearing age emu 4 ewo eye iron deficiency anemia and now you more from mako 10 below eye 5 years nso a emu mako 6 ewo iron deficiency anemia can was very worrying pa na say it means how you feel. It's say one share ni hudwuma mo fra no kra de it may affect your brain development for life. But a kwanya be fa so asia no very simple. Ni nyina ne say ye be di plenty iron rich foods na yetimi prevent iron deficiency anemia for stronger immune system. Now we know kontomire ka ho ne bo onye den, liver, red meat, fish, shrimps, eggs, boko alefu, groundnut, beans, cowpeas, now so yes, green leafy vegetables, DB. Now foods you know rich in iron, like iron fortified foods, meaning to say milk, and iron fortified cube spices, and also to me a good sauce. Yeah, bet me abwa ye pa. Eti bomo de answer obepebi echi akwana etimi abwa. And I feel so kwa food product be our marketer. I share product label no for relevant nutrition information, especially on iron. No one say imuye edi mawa na say imu enye emfa emma. Yenye ni say yanka kra na intimi enso ano. Afen so udidi wi a immediately no. Aya di fruit rich in vitamin C. Say orange, pineapple, pawpaw or mango right after your meal na what did you go so no boama or body intimi absorb iron nutrients no we aduane and temtem pa. Live strong with iron. Now by kind courtesy Aquatap water purification tablet and a food lovers rice. Share and videos of our time. Now the omunyana say food lovers rice mubia day ye ya wunya bia a boy ye pa. I'm out to me prepare any rice meal bia come say jollof say fried rice wachi plain rice na de anwamo kra no around the kama what they say very easy to cook and it tastes great in every grain. Food lovers rice was made for better eating experience. Available on market baby and your Aquatap water purification tablet a self-dissolving tablet what it took in sumwa nen wa hunogum microorganisms won nsuo no mu on betimi akofa waterborne disease abanyina no ekuo mu nyina kama na man nsuo na wholesome man nsuo na potable kama pa wono mo ha bia ni achi. And also look out for Aquata Food Safe. Wako kruma koto fruits and vegetables they abefie no. And for ordinary water and washing will use Aquata Food Safe. For washing ne nkun germs ne bacteria bia wo hu bia na mukodia mo anya wo ha bia. Sa ne ti chemical shops awodo nyina mu o man afa na ba bia obenya bia to supermarket awodo bi mu bi ho and pharmacy shops awodo bi no so ko bi ho won cry na opedo do afre 020 907 7726 wo kumasi na utie yen so afre 050 169 4275 na fe mu amoko Florida Cope City for mo frɛ 0244 593 381 na yahwe agyemoso kama. All right, African for video no to so na fe yɛhwɛ video no na yɛhwɛ say is this possible or not. Obaha production team yemu achetu many African yes say possible and that we can even do it. Papa Bill Sunu je ko so dabi we eyazan we ombo anyampa etimpacho also be show video no na emiehu. Do you also believe in this say no doable and you don't believe in it say we dey fake? Let us know. African Fatu na yanko yenim etimpacho show video no sisia na wo hwe no na wo de o comment no eba na yetimi ehunu eho asem akanti my ready ya me ba be kan your comment no sisia na ya to African video no way na me de mi hu ha o me wa sa okay and mo emotion African sa baba me de mi hu yin but aba ide yo there me do hey African okay just no the refresh out for here because here aha okay aba enti patcho video ni na yi no. Is it possible, is it true, do you believe in this or you don't? For what drink sherry bass is here like very simple messages. I watch your video na that's all. Okay, o there moi mutie radio now money access to Facebook no will be very unfair say very unfair to you say yan church mu etin church mu nyina ne say what me say Asian woman be pan her polythene bag or na say beka say rubber bag emu ye plain fita pa and na wasa nsuo gum ema and na waso eja ode edua firewood and na waso and na ode ndua ba ko asisi ayes say peg and na wa hange polythene no ewo eja no so and eja no ede and nsuo na egum no watwitwa ne vegetables ne ade na egum ne pepper ne ade azo say or no na ade and na wode fresh fish atum nsuo no a che say ono or ye ne diet in the polythene enya saucepan mu enya silver mu na okuki aduane no na emom polythene mu na nsuo ne tai ho and na production ye agi achinye wa ha me say possible oye ne say ya enya ade a eja no be hye anane rubber ne da but nsuo ne wom ne be huru ama ano aduane na ma na ben pepepe papa be osu no enye no kore enye yi na we fake Africans so eye no kore ebe yi jeko so say da bi fake enye no kore etimpacho mo amoso mo hwe no hwe video no na hwe se de maame no okuki aduane no wow eti polythene bag na wa hangi oja no so na eja no na edere no ena nsuo wo polythene mu ena watwitwa vegetables ne ade and fish nso na hwe watam de atum yi ya chese cooking na aduane na wa start prepare enti wonso ugidi tse se de mene African ya gidi ana unjindi tse se de papa bills ni ko omunjindi. Let us know na yento aso comment no amanfo ahya ase de ba afi na wonso atuni na obetimi akọ Facebook na wahwe video na egusu roli etu hwe video ni na no na odo comment ne ba whether this is possible or not na ya to aso akoye ni mu amanfo vibe over comment ne kan be di brutal because they hwihwi no. Okay, Kennedy komlache ono so say eye fake. Okay, and nana yaw or say this is true this is true science. Yes, Nanaya from Medina Market, Nedi or the Bayano. Yeah, trust me near anymore. Iron Boy. Also, when I was 8 years old, we were playing outside, and then we always do this until you also person chess or GDP. And Joseph Tete also no fake. Not finest or also say, oh, good afternoon, Baja. You're possible, pa. I side with you. Okay. Hinaku Seth and so Edne Diaba. Or say we need to practice it before. We need to practice it before them to know that it is true, pa. For me, there it is possible. Godwin Samuel say, yes, it is very possible. I have even done it before. And Catalyst GH or say it is very true, pa. Manifest Kakape GH every day. Yes, it is possible, Jerry. And Cecilia Ofori say it is possible, pa. Laurentia Akolo or say this one, dear, na lie. We so need say Buta Mekpo Lucy or no so say it is not true. So all right, the entry so Felix Asare in Kansas say Jerry, it is possible. I've even done it before. And then Nicholas Nixon on so say, hey, impossible. Oh. Anyway, I go try then see. Say, no cry, no cry. Joyce Ekuya Asare. Honestly, they about say, no, it can't be possible. And I say, Jojo Donto. Also, Jerry, I think the food will boil due to the marriage of the of the heat. Okay. And Ajwa Afrakuma Afrake or Jerry, it is possible pa comfort bosom Pema Asante. Also say Jerry, how can you believe this at? Okay. Naji say good afternoon. I am now from Kumasi. Oh, now message Naira. Message ni a begum bear 1,000 and their cosa. Samuel painting. I say, bro, it is possible. Nana Ama Kisswood, or say it is possible, pa. I feel Amwa Joseph say yes, possible because try the water watching. African rosary. Oh man, easy, but we are very fine. Okay, Samuel will say I can do it, cry. And Dominic, and also say possible. Jerry, the rubber is not a normal rubber. Oh, mother, which one rubber? I say the rubber is not a normal rubber. We all know, so it is possible and real. Akosia Ohima say, it is possible. She's preparing soup. I attended the funeral, and the woman preparing banku put a sachet of pure water in it. She said it will prevent the it will prevent the pot from burning. So she finished it and took it out. I don't cry. They saw their two pot. So it is possible. We they say a Janet de was here. Sana we na kwakwe. Victoria Brock say, oh my God. Pastor Mario said, so the science students, where are they? Oh my. Your Lord who began his work now, he will accomplish it because he's the Alpha. Video no gusu da wa yi. Obetimi ajoin e na wa hwe bi. Now so do adwen hye na ba. Said the man for gusu di be ya. Michael Danso say Jerry, I dare your back. Isaac now say it is possible because of the water. Yeah. Afe Karim Alimatu or say it is possible, Jerry. Sister Eno or say it can't be possible. That be or say it can be possible, but It's serious. A patrol Kel Kids toothpaste. A special toothpaste. I dear mama friend. Between 2 and 6 years for no. Yeah, the strawberry I want to mom condo said down the bit because who triumphs mom I said they almost did of no. A protect your gum, not prevent a cavity. A mom was very strong and healthy with freshness all day. Ubenya bi to shops ne supermarkets how do you know across the country. If it's Samara Company Limited, FD and so I move mu agya tum say yes. Kel Kids, happy smile. As they do informal Dominion about powder, your number 1 immune booster. Papa, a sign boy normalize your blood pressure now. What kidney and I say heart related problem be as if you stroke diabetes ni na kutiana kama pa. Ubenya bi wana boache herbal, Hallows Herbal, Kings Walk Herbal, Little George Health Shop, Tema Community 5, and our favorite Pash Ventures. Open the door, no share Angel Dominion about Center Check on Coco, yes, our phrase 0543 158 195 and our 020 429 6449. Floral disposable handkerchief, and so one man went to me to come out. I prevent it. I better than the usual cloth handkerchief. We know people we are disposing of. Come on. Also look out for floral toilet roll, floral multi-purpose paper towels, floral table napkins, as well as floral box tissues in a shop near you. Open the door for Delta Paper Mill Limited. 0243 033 033. You'll be sorted. Pacho Jumia Brand Festival no sugu so air cost den. And you about shopping all your favorite brands on Jumia. Let me make you real savings. And watch out for Explosion Day this Friday. Yes, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. And you're gonna get up to 50% off your purchase. So shop smart, enjoy free shipping, flash sales, and many more to make real savings. Download the Jumia app, no from the Google Play Store and App Store. Jumia, your everyday delivered. If I trust that utia ye ni amane o cash kakra. Sika na wo kwagene nse se fa titi mu sa wai. Membre ho. Ene kwan tia wa betimi afa so age o sika mane no. Wonam eye sinapi aba savings and loans eso. Or say ene over 44 branches across the country. And until sinapi aba savings and loans. A more conducive atmosphere. Yeah, bet me you see can there feel safely, comfortably, and securely. Come on, pa. Foreign money transfers nina. We'll be receiving a shop. Say MoneyGram, Western Union, Small World, Unity Link, Transfast, and the Diakanina. Kaswa, your way off the Kaswa, New Market Road, your bank Coco, no, your bank Coca-Cola Depot. And our ballroom Chimota branch ones one. We're in the same building of the Washington Bay 1 mile 7 and our Tema branch in Walk Community 1 close to the TDC traffic light. To the branch and also close to the Cocoa Board. I a little bus terminal hona. What they're afraid to free 0800 511 111 and our phrase 0501 278 540. Sinapia Bus Savings and Loans, touching lives, creating wealth. Okay, me patrol video na ye no. No cry like for real. It is possible. You can even try it. Mo amoka say politin no special politin ye normal normal. Even sa penny depending first no ana sachet mineral water mai sa nsuo na ye sagu rubber mu na ya kyehye ya bone po na wa ya ton. Now because of nsuo na e wo but say nsuo ni rubber no mu dia. What the cook a jan so say the maame na ya rubber no be nane in seconds. ni na benani. But because of ensuo na ɛwɔ politics ni mu ni nti no ɛbɛma ensuo no bɛhyɛ aseɛ ahiti ama ahiti a na do a certain level ɛsɛ ɛhyɛ aseɛ boil a ɛhyɛ sɛ ehuru a ensuo no kura bɛhuru ɛwɔ politics ni mu. But politics no ɛnane da because of the presence of water na ɛwɔ mu ni nti. But ensuo ni mu asɛm di kan no ɛne seconds kura ɛbɛnane sisi a enti nsuo no betimi ayɛ hyia ma do the point say betimi ahuru. It is that time no content bi a odi agum bia in this case ma me vegetables ne fish odi atum ni na no ebe noa pepe sese de anka eye silver na saucepan mu a ebe noa no na ne da na emom ade a wo ho ebetimi ama asɛ ne sɛ politics no ekotache ejana de edari ba no de enya nhwe but wood na nkasa fire wood na nkasa no eka politics na because ayashi bebre na very light nit no ebetimi ate no ama afi ensuo no behwie na ensuo no hyase say liki penso a ene na adwuma ni na say ebe cost 90 ba se hwe ankoka no de a na eja ne nko a dere bono saa ensuo no gusuo mu no abusua trust me we science ebe koso a huru saa ma de wo mu no ebe ben pepepe ehwe nguda entimu amayere mo ho a mo se enye possible na lie kai ede ni na mpacho very possible. You can even try it. Me kai say na science students be here de bi na I was there. Yes, I was there. Kind. I'm sure. Into buy na muya na so papa it is papa so I'm so papa possible. Very possible. One of these days you can try it. What the upper cry if you I like don't try this at home. But this one you can try it. What the upper politics be Sade a man mo ka banku ya na mabobwa hye bi akohye fridge mu no wo de yi ba ko na fa nsuo gum pa na tight no now the gas stove na de menka sa fa koto so wo de koto so a wa sa adwuma no de na e ba na no wo de fa ho so say ya bo se best start ya hye nsuo best start ya hye sa na politics no empire na enane ba se nsuo nim na ye de a e be hwe agu e your gas stove na say whatever you know soon na the bomodiana esham so this is very possible. And then one of our listeners name birthday na this is a very special lady in fact Owakoma Papa or you're part of the Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group na in fact she's a fantastic friend. Her name is Ekuya Papabi obi anim no Ekuya Papabi na unze WhatsApp group no pioneers ne de no ho pa ono ka ho bi and 2021 de no so but she's one person ono no ha no san wa ha no jeze bibia fa group mu bia on na group ni kasha or bibia it's necessary so Ekuya Papa bi we love you and we appreciate you. Happy birthday to you from all of us. From all of us here, the Ofie Kwanso team and the WhatsApp group members. Nina, we all wishing you the best in life. We're praying for goodness. Nina and as you celebrate your birthday today. May God bless you. And once but don't forget, said the 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair and also Air Basso Den Nyamea Domwa from Wednesday the 27th to Sunday the 31st of October 2021, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. And Ashisheno Ba Wakwemu. Abusia obetimi adjoin here on social media or follow the Ekosuni now on our various platforms with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. Kaise COVID-19 protocols ni na behwe disonti oba fair na se ana dia show team. For any other inquiries be on 0546 908 179 and on 0540 110 389. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and also powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats, Rent to Own, and sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof expert. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. And our Gold Key Properties, building prestige since 1997. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing. And no awesome. I don't know. Check the time now, just about 5 minutes after 4. Now, your Baba room near Dinkomo Kakra. Now, ya party kakra in the studio. You know what I'm saying? But ye, Jumedia be Basso, your friend a records night. Records night. Records night. Yes. The night you've been waiting for. Finally, I landed. We are the Salt and Light Ministry, the Salt and Light Music Ministry. Among of favorite choir, the Harmonious Chorale Ghana, and Edison Shishewi Ebrel Records Night, bringing you your favorite choral and classical hits from back in the day. Yeah, just say one of Obabe Kakai, you know, all the tunes you loved most. Nina, him, you know, or say, Lord, you have been our dwelling place in all generations. We fear Psalm 90 verse 1. Now just say we know about a live virtual concert. Is streaming on a Harmonious Chorale on YouTube channel also on Sunday the 24th of October 2021. Time is 6 p.m. It's also best subscribe to the Harmonious Chorale Ghana's YouTube channel. Now also with me join it na sa jumedi what should be now what we live the golden moment of the golden years now olden days no so what I say unya further information be a fast records na jumedi one patch friend 0268 130 615 0243 588 467 of 0302 772 013. Yabejo so na bibia so etimi akoye e de amount. Abusia baby edun we are taking just a minute. Na ye de ahwe ene asemo a ye di tu ye hofo. E wo Ofie Kwanso medie so. Just yesterday I had a visitor, a friend a meeting in Kachepa. And now obesra obaya and I'm the bonus so say any on my asemwa ye de betu honfo and then so me wo menchen wa ono so me man sa akonya no under 2 minutes then asem no betimi di amayen say ye mfa ntu ye honfo na ye wia officially yamana kwaba na ye ne no edi nkomo ewo dwumedi so we are near yes, Juma, no, Bibia, come. Okay, daughters are there, no, at Tiafaso. Okay, all right. I said it. All right, so, I said it, and asemo a yede etu honfo efi ye guest no ye introduce no near dinkomo.
Okay, so me I'm part of the youth into me two youth in the for say me nkoso an work hard na bibia pese achieve bibia en fan pai bon ka ho ni stay humble you be drew hono yankopon
yen nkoso na break it down yen nkoso na yen work hard and then
ni stay humble ni mbom pai
yen mbom pai so you work hard, you stay humble, you be prayerful, and one a bit me a boy and wow, these are 3 keywords. Mpacho Koswa ye Jumadin. Stay humble. Me man who swamba mu abra guso ye wa Jumadin. Stay humble. Nini na muno man pai bonso count and techri. Nebe. These are the words from Kweku Flick, or a special guest on the show today. Saying for you so much on point. It has a quick. It's your banner for your baby man. Aquaba officially now. You're doing Komoka cry in the studio. You're fast down my proud sponsors. I'm boy my ETS. I'm ready to on for that. Also, Bright Garlic Plus capsules. If you Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, Abusiana Jumo any very simple. A bois improve your blood circulation. A boost your appetite and multimedia immune system. No such a man who you're doing. A control. Cholesterol, blood pressure, and sugar levels, kama pa. Omo kriya na assign edit bright soja capsules aba, and also ebwa ma libido na tia ira cry bejina brand kama. Sexual weakness ye fio na fe wa low sperm count. Asashen ma kama edi amount. Bomodia PBH kwan na ebeboa wakwaniasa enyina eso obenya bi ato ewo ye Okanshi Drug Lane Kings Walk Herbal Fe Hallows Herbal Uborum ewo ye Tribe of Judah wakaso e bi or Tinatete Herbal shops across the country obenya bi and afi Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic and yes afre 0243 983 906 and 0261 651 891 as they do obeko ama MTN Ogusu is celebrating the 25th anniversary. They say TNA or the MTN at 25 mega promo aba or to check cars. Sonata 2021, the Marco 25. Joe, with a mess like we are what I bet me about poetry. What I say, and once because we use MTN line, they are casa, they are tested, they are browsing. Oh, now if you use MTN app, no Momo app, no, your friends and pause app, now Momo no sending more. Now we're gaining more points. Now on sweating me and your KIB. Just dial star 156 hash today. And then begin your journey to win big only on MTN everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Finally, as Dan Koma, door master and Pubman paint the Pacho, a hoi ena ubu remua, ne ubit me I enjoy between 5 and 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Papa. Etibomodia, Emma also on sign count there. Say exterior steel security doors. Internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, flash doors, glass doors. Nina are available. Price and so that from par. Oba painter from where your partner with a news paint. Schools, churches, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, and our real estate developers. Akonya say, Momeji paint and Franco painting facilities. Na spread this karama mutu and kakra. Our Brian for interest be a encounter. Here, Chiaquine, Pubman on the Accra Kumasi Highway. So do Pubman to booth while one. In fact, so original to booth more when you train shop on Frey 0542 745 222 in a phase 050 021 2447. And come be a bedi and what be I say the boy be answer the boy. Fefe kama na also odan ya wusie bibia etimi akoye edi ama abusua yes semre no ye bebo room na ye ne kuku flake asha se atwen koma akra ne ade ade
every day night before thank God say quiet no cry no turning back, my squad and mama, they met you. Brian, brain.